Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about Boolean and logic operators in Python. Step 1. Create a new file called boolean.py and type x is equal to 1 in line 1 and y is equal to 2 in line 2. Step 2. On line 3, type if x is less than 1 and indent the print x is less than 1 statement in the next line. Step 3. On line 5, type if y is greater than or equal to 1 and indent the print y is greater than or equal to 1 statement in the next line. Step 4. On line 7, type if x double equals 0 and indent the print x is 0 statement in the next line. Step 5. On line 9, type if x double equals 0 or y double equals 2 and indent the print x is 0 or y is 12 statement in the next line. Step 6. On line 11, type if x double equals 0 and y double equals 2 and indent the print x is 0 and y is 12 statement in the next line. Step 7. Run the program. For your homework, explore the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than, not equal to, and the not logical operators. The code is available in a link in the description below. Congratulations, you've learned about Boolean and logical operators to run code conditionally. Save and push to GitHub and try to code a little every day because code is life.